Всем привет, друзья! Сегодня мы приехали на небольшое байк-кар-шоу, так скажем. Посмотрим, что здесь будет происходить. Да, дочка очень любит мотоциклы. Поэтому походим, посмотрим, обещают что-то интересное. Вроде должны ребята стантить, показывать всякие штуковины. Будет видно. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. Вот так парни подкатывают. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. И оставьте комментарии, интересный вам формат такого видео, когда я делаю обзор на такие небольшие мото-мероприятия, которые здесь у нас происходят. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss now.
Where's Stan at? Stan, where you at, Stan? Oh, yeah. Shout out to Freestyle Life in the house.
А сейчас проходит соревнование, кто медленнее проедет.
Oh man, what happened?
Чувак сразу задел асфальт.
Go back around. We want to see a damn race. All right, next two, come up.
Давайте, кто кого.
one more race. We got an A-Train. I tell you what, A-Train. Come on up here, A-Train. Where your president at? Where'd he go? There you go, there you go. Come on, A-Train. Jenna Roberts died? Watch out, little man. What's up? We know it's your birthday, man. Make some noise. Aiden's birthday today, y'all. Hey. All right, so let loose just a little bit. All right, right there. Pull it tight. Pull it tight. Hold hands. Tension. On the count of 3, we got Blitz. We got A-Train. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Damn, why you gonna do it like that, dog? That's it. That's it, dog. Damn. Damn. For you? Yeah. You go now. You go right now. There you go. Little tank against big tank. I don't know which one is which, but find out. Find out right now. You sure you want to do this now? I thought I was going against A-Train. Come on. He came out there real confident. He's like, oh shit. This fool look like a rugby player. Alright. Anything else you want to take off? Thank God. Alright, come on inside. Right here. Alright. Alright, that's what you want? That's how you want it? That's how you want it? Get some tension. Get some tension. A little bit here. A little bit here. No, not that much. Just tighten it up. Tighten it. Pull it this way. This way. That's the way he wants it. That's the way he wants it. Tension. Right there. No, just tension. Don't pull it. On the count of 3, good luck. Tank, good luck. Hey, be easy on dog. His family is here, bro. Right? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Damn, they gonna rip the rope. Ooh. Hey, look like we got him. Hey, you never mess with a man around his family, dog. I'm a family man. I got much more to lose. All right, so he's the winner. Get that. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, you look light in the ass, boy. You light in the ass, boy. Champion. Hey, I need some help, man. Time's up. I give you a call. Next time I'm feeling kind. He spent an hour of his time in the garage wiping it down. He should have came out here. And I break you off. Tell your baby mamas.
Clutching it up. 1 foot over the handlebars. Make some noise for Jason Brett. Let's go. Death spin. Whoa, number 2. Oh, right. Okay, all right. Let's see. Here we go. Trial push-up. This man is strong.
Yeah, we put you in it. Let's go with another one. Okay, Aiden. Where's Aiden's? This one here says 1 person and win. Let's go.
Сейчас проходит розыгрыш лотереи.
Last 4 numbers. 5532. 5532. I didn't win? Damn, man, I want my money back. 5532.